Welcome to GR-TECHMIND channel. So in today's lecture, we are going to learn about the arrays. So let us see how we will create an array. My array equal to this. So whenever I print this, I will get my array in the list format itself. Now, if I want to access an element by index, so this is 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. These are the index positions, and these are the elements that are included in that particular positions, right? So now, if I want to access an element by index, say 2, then 0, 1, 2, it should return 3, right? So whenever I print element, my value of the 2 is 3, hence the result. Now, find the length of array. To find the length of array, just simply use length, len, of that function and then put my array and print the length. You'll get the result. There are 5 elements included in it, and hence 5 is the length of my array. Now, if I want to append an element to the end, then simply use append, and whatever the value that you want to add, you can simply add it. Now, check my array now. See? So append, whenever you use append, then the value will be added at the end. Okay? To remove an element by value, simply use this. And if you run this, you will get this. So my array.remove, whatever the value that you want to remove, put that here and run it, you will get that. So you have removed the 3 values, so no 3 values been mentioned over here. Now check if an element exists or not. So to check it, simply you can use this. So to check that, anyhow you have removed. To check it, you have to use this something different. I think this is not coming over here. We'll move on to the next. Iterate through an array. Iterate through an array. For item in my array, print the item. So to iterate any array that you want, simply use this case function and then you can run it. Okay. See. Now, sort an array. To sort an array, simply use sorted as a function and then you can expect the result in this case. See, it has sorted. 1 to 3. 3 is not there since we have removed 4, 5, 6. Right? Now, reverse an array. To reverse an array, simply use starting, ending, -1. Right? So now if you run this reversed array over here, you'll get the result. Like 6, 5, 4, 2, 1. Right? It has just reversed an array. Again, if you do, the same thing is there. Okay. Clear an array. To clear an array, simply use .clear. Okay. And whenever you run the array, empty will be there. Nothing is added. Now create a 2D array, means list of list. See, there are 3 lists inside a big list. Now, if you run this and check the result, the same thing will come. Now, from that, if you want to find the maximum and minimum values in an array, simply use max and min function. Okay. Now, count occurrences of an element in an array. To count, simply use count, whatever the value that you want to count, simply use that and run and check the values. 2 is not this, so it has given 0 times. Now, remove duplicates from an array while preserving order. So, to remove the duplicates, always use the set function. I have taken an empty set. In that, I will keep adding it the values. So, for item in array, if item not in scene, then simply add the item in scene and the result will be added into by appending it to it, right? All the items will be appended to the result and hence the result should return my result. Now, concatenate 2 arrays. 2 arrays I have taken, adding those 2. So, now if I copy this and paste over here, the concatenated array, added together and it has returned a single list, right? Single array I can tell. Now find the insertion of 2 arrays. Insertion means what? Sorry, intersection. Intersection of 2 arrays means it will return the common elements which are present in the set 1 and set 2, right? So let us check. I didn't create any, okay, array of 1, array of 2. Yeah, I have created. Now let me check intersection over here. Nothing is there because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is the same thing. Now, if I run 5 is the common element that I am taking it over here. Okay. And if I run this, it will take this condition. And now if I run for intersection, it will return 5 because 5 is repeated over here and here, right? Okay. Now union. If you run union, union means what? It will combine the list and it will combine the array and it will return all these things. But since you have used a set over here, it won't be repeating the numbers. Okay. I mean, repeated numbers won't be there. I mean, duplicates won't be there. Okay. Now, rotate an array. To rotate an array, say for example, if you are taking 2 times you're rotating, then what do? Simply use minus k from starting to end, starting to minus k. Simply you rotate the array and check, you will get the result. So this is the format that you have to follow. I'm saying this is the format that you have to follow. Now check if array is a palindrome or not. Simple function. You have one myArray and you have reversed an array, right? If both are equals to the is palindrome, whichever I have created over here, a variable, if the condition satisfies, it will return true. If it is not satisfying, then of course it will return false. So that's all the array concept is all about from basic to intermediate. So if you have any queries, you can ping me. And yeah, bye bye. Thank you.